This is a custom packing tape that I got from Stickermule.com. Make sure that you guys check out the link in the description box so that you can save $10 on your first roll of custom packing tape. I will tell you guys that using this when you pack your orders is very important. Hard to rip, and it makes sure that your packaging is also branded in some way. And I really like it because it's going to let your customers know where they can find your website and to remember who or what their package is once they receive it. We're in Canva's homepage. I'm going to go ahead and record my screen so you guys can watch. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you an example of how to design your own custom packaging tape. When you head to Canva's homepage, the first thing that you want to do is put in the proper dimensions for the width of the actual packaging tape. And I measured mine, and I do believe that it is 2.75 inches wide. And normally the roll that I'm suggesting that you guys purchase is 100 feet. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and make our packaging tape dimensions 2.75 by 2.75 inches. This is obviously going to be an example of how you could design your packaging tape, but what I would recommend honestly is to make sure that you have your logo somewhere on your packaging tape, or if you have like a brand element, say you sell lashes and you have like a lash wand and an eyelash as one of your logo elements, maybe instead of putting your full custom logo on the packaging tape, you can then just include those elements or those graphical elements on there. And your website, maybe your social media handles, you just want something on there so that your brand is recognizable when your customer receives their package. So I'm basically going to design like a sample. I'm just making this up off the top of my head. I decided that this was going to be for a hair brand. So as you guys can see, I pretty much designed this off camera, but then I went back and decided I would show you guys how I actually went about designing this packaging tape. So like I was just saying, if this is a hair business, you obviously want to have some sort of hair or hair related tool graphic with your packaging tape, or if that's not included in your logo, then you don't have to do that, but just for example purposes. So I found this comb and scissors combination and I thought that it was cute. I changed the background to pink, made the graphical elements pink. I'm pretty much just playing around with this design. I decided that this was a hair brand, so we're going to call it Hair by Nye. And in the center of your graphic design is where you want to have your logo or your brand name. If you're not putting your logo, then definitely have your brand name very large and visible. And we're only going to design this once, because once we upload this design onto Stickermule's website, they're actually going to repeat this design across our packaging tape roll. So you don't have to make the design repeating yourself. They will do that for you in their system. But yeah, here's my logo, Hair by Nye. And what I'm doing right now is trying to make sure that everything stands out. So I wanted it to like kind of pop and be a little bit fun, because the boxes that I ship my orders in are solid white boxes. Another thing with the packaging tape is you're adding like another branding element to your packaging. And when your customer receives their package, they're going to know whose order is on their step or what package they're receiving. And also anyone who's handling your order while your order is being shipped might also be interested in, you know, follow you on social media or visit your website. I'll tell you guys that when dropping my packages off at the post office, I've met a lot of people who actually, you know, became a customer because they saw me going to the post office so much that they ended up recognizing my brand name, and they follow me on social media and letting me know that, you know, they followed me because of me coming to the post office and stuff like that. So this is free advertisement. The link in my description box is going to give you guys $10 off your packaging tape. So normally it's $19. You're going to be able to get this for $9, and it's 100 feet per roll. So that's a pretty decent amount of packaging tape. Now on the Stickermule's website, click the link in my description. It will take you right there, and my code will automatically be applied to checkout. But this is an example, so I'm just showing you guys how to actually upload your design. So yeah, I'm showing you guys that you will actually have your $10 credit automatically applied to your cart. You want to click custom packaging tape. The 100-foot roll is $19, like I said. Then what you would just do is upload your file. You save that onto your computer from CANVA, and you just upload it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Click continue, and you're going to check out as normal. Here it's showing that it's $19, but obviously once you are applying your code, using the code in the description box, you are only going to be paying $9, and it's free shipping. So I don't see why not, girl. $9 and free shipping. Go ahead and get you some custom packaging tape for your brand. So yeah. All right, so to make sure that you know how to actually design your packing tape, you have really any freedom creativity wise what you want to do with your packing tape. What I did obviously is I just put my logo here and put my website. But say you had like an element that goes with your brand. So say you're selling lip gloss and you have like a lip gloss logo or emblem or something, you could just put that graphic element across your packaging tape. Or if I wanted to, I could just include, I could have just included my logo right here, like the actual design of it, the face. That way you would know what this packaging is or what the brand is that you're ordering. So you have complete creative control over what you do with your packing tape. So to wrap up this video, I'm just showing you guys how you can actually adhere your packaging tape to your package. Normally what I would do, since I don't yet have a label dispenser, have a packaging tape dispenser, which you can actually purchase from Amazon. So I'll link one down below for you guys. I'm actually looking into invest for myself, but I normally just cut the width of how much I would need and then spray my packaging tape with like a spray bottle filled with water. Or you could use a sponge and like dip it into water and wipe it across your packaging tape, and it's water activated, so once it gets a little bit wet, it gets sticky and it sticks very, very well. So I'm just showing you guys how you can use your packaging tape to secure your packages before you send them off. The reason why I really love this is because not only is it branded, but also no one's going to be able to get right into your package. If you're using regular Scotch tape or something like that at home, people will go into your package and either try to take something out or worse, just take the whole package. So definitely recommend using this very strong packaging tape, and it's branded and it's cute. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what other videos you guys are interested as far as branding goes. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.